Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication on Facebook. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, I need you to click on the Start Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication, or 2FA, with Facebook provides several important benefits that can enhance the security of your account. Because as we all know, 2FA adds a second layer of security to your Facebook account. For example, someone obtains your password because you are sharing device, they will still need the authentication code from your Google Authenticator to access your account. Of course, it greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access as the authentication code is generated on your mobile device and changes every 3 seconds. Now, there are two ways for you to change or use the Google Authenticator on Facebook. One is using the web browser, which is I am right now, or on the Facebook app on your mobile device. But if you're in the web browser already, I need you to click on the settings and privacy and click on. Now, once you have access to the security settings, go to the password and security, because this is the section where you can manage your password, login preferences, and of course, the recovery methods. That includes the two-factor authentication, all right? I need you to click on this option. Now, when you do so, you would be given two accounts for you to choose from and set up with the two-factor authentication. Is it going to be your Instagram account and Facebook? Because remember, both of these are part of the Meta platform. I wanted to click on the Facebook. Now here, you just have to enter the code that has been set up or sent to your Google Authenticator, all right? Now, let's try to see how we can do it from the mobile app. Now, if in case it doesn't work for the mobile app as well, I need you to hover to the upper right corner and go to the Help and Support, okay, and click on the Report a Problem. Now here, all I'm gonna do is click on Report and choose an area, and that's gonna be for the security. Right, settings, and of course you can add a screenshot or a video to supplement the information. Once it's loaded, just click on submit, and one of the Facebook support staff will give you insights if you encounter any problems along the way using Google Authenticator with a Facebook or the 2FA on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.